welcome back to another video. Going to be doing daily life, how it's going to be if, okay, so first we have to go to our house. Okay, there's our house. Okay, so first, house tour. So this is the kitchen. This is the living room. And I even have like a little mini aquarium. And then here's the storage room. It's a pretty small one. Wait, no, not upstairs yet. Upstairs is last. So this is the mini storage room. So he has like little drawers, has a candle, slug, and has a vacuum, laundry, another candle. And now upstairs. Okay, so first we're gonna go in this room. Oh wait, this is the baby's room. But I'm not a baby in this room. So let's get out there. See, this is the bathroom. And this is my room. I even have a little TV. And look, I even have a view. What a beautiful view. Okay, so right now, what time is it? Oh my gosh, it's 2 a.m. So we need to get ready to sleep, and when we wake up, we're going to show you the daily life. So first, let's put on our PJs. We need to take our classes. There you go. All set. And now, so light switch. Okay, we at least like, okay. So right now, we're gonna go to sleep. Well, my head doesn't even touch the pillow. Okay. So now we're sleeping. Yeah, we're gonna grab a midnight snack. A little midnight snack. Here's the food. I have a little Kit Kat. What should I name him? Maybe. Whiskers. There you go. Hey, Whiskers. Welcome to the family. Okay, Whiskers, let's go. We need to go to sleep. We need to wait till you wake up my midnight snack. Whiskers. Okay. Whiskers. Time to go to sleep. Okay, Whiskers will be right there sleeping. Whiskers. I think that's a cute name. Oh wait, it's already 5 a.m. Okay, so in the game, it goes like 5 seconds. So 1 hour is 1 minute in the game. So I'm gonna start getting ready right now. School starts at school starts at what time should it start? We need to make it up. Oh, I know. It just started. Okay. We need to do our makeup. Looks so pretty. So I think so. What about this bun? No, definitely no. I really want this hair, but I don't know how to. I don't even have any coins because I don't know how to get coins. I really want this one also. It's so cute. That reminds me, I can literally get this. But no, thank you. What is this? Whoopsies. What is this? Oh, that's for boys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. In real life, I would definitely. But I guess we're gonna have to go with this. Okay. See. Okay. All set. There you go. Well, it's almost 9. Wait, I said 9, right? Okay, so we're gonna say 9. We're gonna do it tonight. Okay. Okay, we're gonna eat. There you go, we ate. Now we need to go to school. We need to take the subway. And then some buses. Because I don't have a car. Oh my gosh. This may be one of my longest videos. Oh wow, look at this house. This is so cool. Oh, it's owned by no one. Oh, look at this one too. Whose house is this? No one? Oh yeah, there's nothing inside of it though. Never mind. The subway. Subway! Plus. Go. Oh. Okay, I guess I have to take my pet to school. Also, I didn't even notice he was following me. He doesn't need to take the bus, so let's wait. The bus! It's right there. Hurry! The bus! Oh gosh. Wait! Wait! Hurry up, let's go. Whiskers right there. Oh my gosh. This bus driver sucks. Yeah, I'm walking to school. Whiskers, let's go. This bus driver is the worst one I've ever seen. I'm going to motorcycle. Do you even have one? Oh, it's right here. Let's go. Drive to school. Here we are. See, the bus goes to school also. But it was so slow. Okay, let's go. Hurry up. Am I late? Am I late? I'm late. By 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 hours. Okay. Hey, principal. Hi, Jane. Let's go to math class. Oh, we have a teacher. Oh, wow. 2 teachers. Nice. Okay, let's sit here. Let's take notes. Wait, class is off. Okay, guess we can leave. Let's go. Wait, what does it say? Winter ball. Wait, the winter ball? What? It's today? Gosh, I need something to wear. What if I take this? Oh gosh. Is there any restrooms here? I need to change. ASAP. Oh my gosh, I am so laggy. Restrooms. No, it's for a boy and girl. Nice. Let's use this one. Whiskers coming here. Okay. We need to change. We need a cute dress. Cute something. What about this crop top? This is so cute. This one too. This skirt with this. Oh my gosh, I am loving the pink. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, what if I have? Oh, I don't have any red shirts. Oh no, gosh, no. Oh, this. No, I look so weird. This. Okay. Oh, some earrings. Yeah, earrings would look so cute. Holy moly. Oh, look at these ones. These are so cute. I really want them. Okay, we're gonna put on. Go. Really love. Yeah, this is perfect. We need to take off our backpack also. There you go. All set. There. Now we're ready for the winter ball. Let's teleport there. Okay, it's not teleporting me. Okay, whatever. I guess we'll have to walk there. Whiskers, stay here. Hurry up, the winter ball. We're gonna dance for a little bit. Then we need to go home and eat. And then this. No. We need to go home. And then. Let's dance. Yeah. Go. Now we need to go home. There's a water park here. To the water park. Okay, let's go to the water park. First, we need to get ready to go to the water park. Okay. Okay, I thought this was really cool, so I'm gonna keep it. And then I'm gonna take this. No, this one. Oh, this one. Because these look like too swimming. Let's take this one actually. This kind of looks like it's for swimming, right? Okay, let's take our makeup because it's definitely gonna get wiped off. So let's just take this one. Happy. Okay, let's go to the water park. Wherever that is. I have no idea. Map. Yes, map. Okay, where is the water park? Water park. Water park. Is there even a water park? There's a movie theater. Oh, I think that's a water park. Let's go there. Yeah, that's a water park. Okay, let's go there. the water park. This is the water park. And then the water park we're supposed to get. Oh, there's the water park. Oh, it's one of those. Okay, then after this we need to go to the grocery store to buy stuff. Because we do not have any food. We need to buy food. The good thing I have a few money to buy some. What if we go on this one? Oh, let's go on the tallest one. Bro, get me out. Let's go. Bro, get off. Get off. That's the tallest one. Nope. Even more. We're here. Oh, bro, we could just took the elevator. There's an elevator? There's elevators in water parks? No. Elevators? Like, you can't have, like, water. There's literally so many water. Whoa. That was fast. That's huge. Whatever, at least I took Whiskers to the water park. Oh, look, we can swim here. So, whoa, this is so cool. Wait, why does Whiskers want to go to a water park? He doesn't even like water. Oh, look at that. Wait, what is that? Wait, let me swim over there. Oh my gosh, hurry up. Let me get out of here. Let's just walk. Here we are. What is this? Welcome. This is cool. This is sick. Let's go this way. Whiskers. Wait, what is that? Okay. It just disappeared as soon as I got close to it. I didn't get to collect it. Oh, it's literally nothing. Oh, what have I found here? What is this? Oh, it's a mini pool. Wait, I want to go on this. I want to go on the... Oh, there you go. So cool. Oh, and a little slide. Bruh. Wait, what if I try to, like... Oh, that's it. Because usually in games, like, they don't let you climb up the water. So, come on. See, because it does that. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we need to go to the grocery store. Okay, so we need to take the bus. Definitely. But first I need to check where, like, the grocery store is. And does the bus even go to the grocery store? Yeah. Okay. So right now we're gonna go to the bus stop, and while we're at the bus stop, let's check where the grocery store is. Grocery store. Grocery store. because I definitely need to go. Supermarket. What's in there? Right there. Okay. Okay, there you go. I'm just gonna walk there. You guys hear that? I am so sorry for the noise in the background. Okay, we're here. Supermarket. Okay. Let's buy some stuff now. No underclass. Go. Oh, we definitely need milk. Okay, now we should get some cereal. Oh yeah, I can eat some cereal when I get home for like dinner. Or I can make spaghetti. Yes, spaghetti. Spaghetti is so good. Okay, let's get the cereal. Oh, I should eat cereal for tomorrow in the morning. Let's see. Oh, spaghetti. Here it is. Oh, fish. We should definitely get some fish. Whoa. Okay. Hmm. Yes, definitely. Whoopsies. Not meant to do that. Hmm. There you go. There you go. We check that. Now we need to go home. Turn off. Home. There you go. Now that we're home, we can make food. We go. Num num num. There you go. I eat. And now we need a. And then we go upstairs. Change into our PJs. Oh my gosh, it's 5 a.m. I literally ate at 5 a.m. The good thing that yesterday was Friday, today's Saturday. So yeah. Now let's go here. We just gotta sit down because we're gonna watch TV. It's a good channel. Watch TV for 1 hour. Well, 1 minute actually. There you go. Turn off. And now ZZZ. this is a goodbye. Goodbye. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And bye.